conventional plasma and oxyfuel cutting applications. It contains the features that are most relevant to these cutting processes and provides plenty of power to deliver best-in-class performance. Users agree that ProNest LT is incredibly easy to learn and use. You'll find a straightforward user platform, thoughtful screen layout, and intuitive navigation. Getting started in ProNest LT is simple. You'll have two options for part creation, including an integrated 2D CAD program and a variable shape parts library for developing common parts from templates. To import existing CAD files, simply locate the file and drag it into the part list. Upon CAD import, ProNest LT is automatically running a number of operations in the background to help make your job easier, including layer mapping of CAD layers to processes, checking CAD files for errors and correcting them automatically if possible. And that's just to name a few. Also at this stage, ProNest LT draws on its built-in process expertise, where advanced factory-tested cutting knowledge is applied directly to the job. For instance, part leads are automatically added based on your material type, thickness, and part geometry, along with feed rate and kerf values. These parameters are pulled from Hypertherm spreadsheets embedded behind the scenes of the software. After your part list is complete, you'll enter the nesting screen, where you can nest parts manually and automatically. And there are many standard features to take advantage of, including grouping and arraying of parts, just to name a few. And in addition, ProNest LT gives you direct control over the nest, including prohibit or permit nesting inside of a part. Edit leads within the nest, automatic nest sequencing, and control over cut direction and cut sequence on a part-by-part basis. Most users take advantage of automatic nesting, an optional module in ProNest LT that allows you to nest with the click of a button. You may wish to consider purchasing some of ProNest LT's other optional modules as well. These are advanced level features that may or may not be right for your business, but with ProNest LT's modular structure, you can choose to purchase only the tools that you really need. You may wish to increase productivity with modules like common line cutting, bridge cutting, chain cutting, pipe and fittings, and more. Upon completing your nest, simply click to output your code. And it doesn't matter if you're using Hypertherm equipment or another brand, ProNest LT supports virtually all machine brands and models. Also in ProNest LT, you'll be able to monitor critical metrics like costing and material utilization. Details can be viewed while setting up the job and after completion by exporting one of ProNest LT's 12 standard reports. Finally, keep in mind that ProNest LT is backed by the most dedicated and knowledgeable technical support team in the business. Our team has many years of industry experience with nesting software and CAM applications, offering a level of expertise and support that is second to none. To experience ProNest LT firsthand, please request a free trial from our website.